Authors. It was another usual morning. Van slowly opened her eyes and saw Jungkook getting ready for his office. He was fixing his watch and spraying perfume on his shirt. Jungkook cold tone without looking at her. I'm going to the office. Take care. Bye. Authors. He left without even glancing at her, Van thinking, it's been 6 months since our marriage, but he never looks at me like a wife. She shook her head and got up to freshen up herself. After that, she prepared breakfast, ate quietly, spent the day in her usual silence. Author's evening came. Jungkook was in office, busy with work as always. Usually he would come home late at night, but that day he work finished earlier outside. It was raining heavily. At home, Vine was standing in the balcony, letting the raindrop fall on her. She smiled because she loved the rain. Later, she went to change. As always, she thought Jungkook would come home late, so she didn't bother much. She wrapped a white towel around her wet body, played music in her room, and started dyeing her hair. Her skin glowed with droplets of water, and her soft hair fell on her shoulders. Authors. Meanwhile, Jungkook reached home. He stepped out of his car completely drenched in rain. He rang the doorbell many times, but no one opened the door. Froing, he used his duplicate key and entered the house. Jungkook, why isn't she open the door? He walked straight to their bedroom. Authors, while enjoying the music, didn't hear the door. As soon as the room door opened, suddenly she gasped in shock. The towel in her hand slipped, falling on the floor. Van froze. She was standing completely naked, her eyes widened in embarrassment. Jungkook stopped at the doorway, his breath cuffed in his throat. Jungkook shocked, eyes stuck on her. Van. Authors. He couldn't move. For the first time in 6 months, his cold expression broke, replaced by something Van had never seen before. Desire mixed with surprise. Van covering herself, panic voice. Jungkook, I. The room fell silent except for the rain, faint sound of rain and music. Author's Jungkook's eyes didn't move away from her body. He stood frozen for a moment, then slowly stepped inside the room. His gaze locked on Van. Van, nervous, whispering, Jungkook, don't please. She quickly tried to step back, but with every step, Jungkook moved closer. His wet shirt sticking to his body, his eyes dark and intense. Authors. Van heartbeat grew faster. She kept stepping back until suddenly, thud, her back hit the cold wall. She gasped, realizing there was no space left. Jungkook was now standing just inches away, his breath warm against her skin. Jungkook in low, flirty tones, making, tell me, Van, why are you like this? For whom are you showing all this? Van stemming, trying to cover herself with the trembling hands. No, no, I don't know. You would come earlier. I wasn't. Authors. Jungkook leaned even closer, his lips almost brushing her ear. His voice dropped, playful yet dangerous. Jungkook husky whisper, are you sure, Van? Because right now you are driving me crazy. Others. Van breath hissed. She turned her face to the side, avoiding his burning gaze. But her body betraying her, she was trembling under his closeness. Jungkook smirked, placing one hand on the wall beside her, gazing her completely. Author's Wine breath was uneven, her back still pressed to the wall. Jungkook's eyes roamed over her face, softer now but burning with intensity. Jungkook, low teasing tone. Why are you trembling, Scared of me or of what you are feeling? Van whispering, avoiding his gaze. Jungkook, don't say things like that. Authors, he smirked and leaned closer, his lips brushing against her ear. She shivered as his damp breath tickling her skin. Jungkook, you look too beautiful to ignore, Van. Authors, his fingers trailed lightly down her arm, making goosebumps rise. Vine's chest rose and fell rapidly as he tilted her chin upward, forcing her to meet his eyes. Without another word, Jungkook pressed his lips against hers. The kiss was soft at first, hesitant, almost questioning. Vine's eyes widened, then slowly fluttered shut. Jungkook whispers against her lips because I can't hold back anymore. Authors, he trailed soft kisses down her jawline to her neck, making her gasp. One hand tangled in his damp hair, pulling him even more closer. Jungkook smirked at her reaction, his lips teasing her collarbone before returning to claim her mouth again. Authors, the coldness of the past 6 months seemed to vanish in that heated moment. The rain outside, the music, their racing hearts, everything blended into the warmth of their first true embrace. Author's Vine's lips were swollen from his kisses, her body trembling under Jungkook's touch, his eyes darkening with desires. As he looked at her flushed face, Jungkook whispering against her lips, teasing, you have no idea what you are doing to me, Vine. Authors, he kisses her again, deeper, hungrier. His lips moved down to her neck, sucking gently, leaving marks as Vine gasped and clutching his shoulders. Vine breathless. Jungkook, please. Authors, he smirked at her reaction, his kisses trailing from her collarbone to her shoulders. Vine closed her eyes, shivering at every touch. His hand slid slowly along her waist, gripping the edge of her towel. Jungkook teasing tone, this towel, it doesn't deserve to hide you. Authors, with one tug, the towel loosened and slipped away, pulling on the floor. Vian's heart raced as she tried, tried to cover herself, but Jungkook gently cuffed her wrist. Jungkook, soft, intense. Don't hide from me, not tonight. Authors, he kisses her again, harder this time, his hands exploring her back, her waist, pulling her closer until no space remained between them. His lips moves everywhere, her shoulder, her neck, her jaw, down to her chest. Each kiss is more desperate, more intoxicating. Vian whimpered softly, melting into his arm, her body responding to every touch. The rain outside grew heavier, but inside the room burned with heat. Authors, Jungkook lifted her gently, carrying her towards the bed without breaking the kiss. He led her down carefully, his lips never leaving her skin. The night was filled, stolen breaths, heated kisses, and whispers of their names, until both of them were lost in each other completely.